Sanibonani, welcome back to Mkosini Ophilile. Ngiyabonga kakhulu for joining. Thank you very much for uthando lwakho. Thank you. Ungakhohlwa ukuthi kusamele press subscribe mangabe akampress. Please do subscribe. Uyalike video njalo bafowethu mangabe uyibuka. Please do like. Uchargewa lutho kumahala. Into ekanjalo bafowethu. So ngiyabonga kakhulu for everything. Bengisenza ama reviews ke ngeza ama reviews uthando nesithembu. Udlalela episode 6 no 7. So ngizocaphuna laphana nalaphana noma ngajampela ka 7 it's okay. Usually mangisenza ama reviews asuke sedlalile ama episode omabili. So yeah, ngiciniso lokho ngikhulume ngolwandle bafowethu attitude kalwandle na yonke into ekubona nje ukuthi ngathi ufuna ukuyohlala la ukuhlala khona uSinene, everything else that I believed in as I was watching the episode. Ngibona umama mkhulu ehleli nolwandle ezamkubonisana naye ngeenga yakhe base beyaxoxana ngokaSinene ukuthi ke indlu esemzumbe ntonto. Ngibona ukuthi ulwandle ngathi ufuna ukuhlala yena mhlambe la ukuhleli khona uSinene. I do not know, and I also believe ukuthi akana relationship nosisi wakhe uSinene. That's what I see when I watch the episode. Okay, so manje bengikhulumela lapha ngokuthi umama mkhulu wabeke bayithinta indaba yokuthi bazoke bethu ukuhlala phansi bede babomzamseleko bazoke bethu ukuhlala phansi bathi ukukhulumisana nolwandle ngendaba ke enga yakhe. So ngase ngibona umama mkhulu ekhulumisana nolwandle eyedwa engase ngithi hawo bengicabanga bazohlala bobabili bahlale nengane phansi baxoxisane nayo ukuthi ungathi uneenga. So sizocela ukuthi usenzele ifavor ngoba engavele into engalungile ngelinye ilanga kuzokwenzeka ukuphosa isandla sakho siye komunye umuntu siyohlala bese uba necala, you know what I mean. So ngase ngibona umama mkhulu ethinta nje kancane bafethu, but I did believe ukuthi ezinye izinto bazi edit lapha since I think ezinye izinto get to be edited, I believe ngoba manje mase ngithi ngiyabuka ke kune part where ubaba umzamseli naye uye wathi ukuhlala phansi nolwandle enomfowabo uMpumelelo. I think that was in episode 7, but ke yenzekile I wanna talk about that ukuhlala kwabo nolwandle bethu ukukhulumisana naye about ienga yakhe. Okay, so baba umzamsele kunaye sethe ukuhlala phansi nolwandle noMpumelelo waxoxisana nabo kusho ukuthi befuna nje ukuthi akakhulume nabo ngomuzi nokuthi nje ngelinye ilanga mhla engasekho bayokwazi yini labo babili njengamadodana kaMzamsele ukuthi baqhubeke ngomuzi into bawubambe umuzi uqine ube nabaholi njengoba bengamadodana amadala kaMzamsele. So ke uthe ukuyithinta ke indaba kalwandle wakhulumisana nolwandle ngeenga yakhe ukuthi kusuka kwenze njani njengoba sasibuka ke lapha nje uthukuthele ngathi uzobamba umuntu obvious of course vele uzozikhulumela ulwandle azivikele umzali mayezama ukumbonisa, you know what I mean. Angibonanga beba na that conversation that much the way engisole ngakhona ngangenkathi ke umama mkhulu ehleli nolwandle. I think ezinye izinto gets to be edited ngoba vele sibona nje amaphisi angiboni behlala naye bekhuluma naye nje bemkhuza, you know, ngibona bembuza angiboni bemkhuza, something like that. So yeah man, ukhulumile na ubaba wakhe naye uyaddressile indaba yeenga ukuthi hayibo akumelanga nje ukuthi uthukuthele kangako nama siblings wakho nihleli nje lapha nama siblings wakho nguwe lo uyathukuthela nje. Just imagine that kind of anger. At least he did address it. Ngabona nje ngathi impendulo kalwandle on this particular one for me ayizwakalanga, angizwa ukuthi ulwandle uthe wangathi for I think ezinye izinto gets to be edited, which is okay. Wasubaba umzamsele also addresses uMpumelelo about the fight that was there between umama kaSingabakho nomama kaMhluphekazi. Remember uVyokazi noTirelo the time kwabanjwana ukucishana kwabanjwana lapha, it was just a mess. Remember ke mawazali masebethi bayabuka ke ishow ingane zesithembu, of course they get to see all those things that happens, right? So ke impiliyana eka amakhosikazi kaMpumelelo ama girlfriend, okay, omama bengane suke ngazi nokuthi ngithini abakhosikazi no abakashadwa ama girlfriend, okay, ngomama bengane at least ke banezingane zikaMpumelelo msele something like that. uTirelo noVyokazi they were having a problem kwaba khona umsindo nje, you know what I mean. So uyayi addressa ke baba umsele kuleyo ndaba kuMpumelelo ukuthi ngani nje kanti wena wahlala nje kulwiwa nje abantu bakho bayalwa, iyona ndlela wena ofuna ukwakha ngayo isithembu sakho leyo, bayalwa nje uhleli nje wayehleli nje uMpumelelo bakithi wathi baba umsale and then wasuyahlala wathi yena bengeka ngcole phela ngendaba yabantu yena nje boyifaka isuit nje uthi baba umzamsele hayibo usungamala uprocess isuit yakho than imphefumulo yabantu mangabe kukhona olimalayo lapha. What are you going to say? ayona makhosikazi, stand up, do something, man up and do something, ngoba nguwena othi akube nabantu ababili. Ngithi mangabe benokungaboni ngasolinye sebebambana ngezandla, you need to stand up and jump in and do something. Abesithi yena ubengekaza ngcole yena ngoba Jesus Christ, hello mntana. So kuyamgxeka kuba wakhe ukuthi ayibo akuyona indlela ke ukuthi enze kube wayehenglishe isituation ngakhona, ngoba wahlala nje vele wengenzile ukuthi wagoqa izandla nje, kwaba khona nje abasizayo umpumelelo lutho nje, wahlala nje wakhamisa nje laphana. You know what I mean? I watched that part, even though when it comes to ingane zesithembu I get to not watch full episodes, or noma ngibuke another full episode I don't get to watch all the episodes. Kodwa babakhe uye wamkhuza nje ukuthi nalokho nje ukuthi uVuyokazi akasekho empilweni yakhe, uthi umpumelelo nje hayi vele kusiya ngaye kuba yena noVuyokazi bahlukana dala. Usho ukuthi nje ubabakhe nguye wayelokho esesayidini likaVuyokazi. No, I think that's what umpumelelo is saying, ukuthi uMusamseli nguye wayelokho esesayidini likaVuyokazi, ethi uVuyokazi akangahambi, but ngoba vele wayevele efuna ukuhamba, yayivele mhlambe into yabo ingasasebenzi, wagcina ke ehambile, of which I see ukuthi uMusamseli does not agree. Uyambuza ukuthi wamiyeka nawe wahamba, wavele wayeka wathi ayisekuphelile, akunalawo uthi uzolungisa khona, uyekile nje. So guys, uzwakala umpumelelo ethi hayi ngathi sekuphelile, singaze ngathi baba uMsamseli kuyena ufuna nje ngathi ingalungiswa. Remember unengane ezimbili, and I know ukuthi uyazithanda baba uMsamseli kuyingane ezikampumelelo, ingane ezizalwa uVuyokazi, and we know ukuthi she's no longer there and all that. Ngibona ngathi ngendlela akhuluma ngakhona baba uMsamseli kukhona abangase mhlambe bazame ukukulungisa mhlambe. And yena sesenzele ingane, akafuni ingane zakamsele kuzibe phandle ngale, ufuna ingane zakamsele kuzibe la zibe ndawonye. Manje ke uVuyokazi nompumelelo abasezwani. I can see ukuthi he doesn't like it. Yona ke into eyenzekile ezibaba uMsamseli was sitting with both his sons, ekhuluma noLwandle ngenga yakhe, wasekhuluma nompumelelo ngendlela abona ngathi ngeke azasikhone lesi sithembu. Ubona ngathi nje akazokusikhona lesi sithembu ngendlela enza ngakhona izinto. Siyabona vele usele noTirelo uVuyokazi kudala wayiphumela. So I do not know, mhlawumbe uzothi uxoxisana nempumelelo athi hamba olungisa izinto, angazi bafowethu. Uzwakala ngathi uya lapho baba uMsamseli, but umpumelelo ngathi yena nje hayi angibone ezoyilungisa, ayikho into azoyilungisa loyo. But anyways, siyabonga ke ukuthi ubaba uMsamseli kuhlalile namadodana wababonisa laphana, washo ukuthi mhlangi ngasekho niyokwazi yini ukukhulisa lo muzi bafowethu, something like that. Uthi umpumelelo ke yena nje makungathiwa lo muzi uphethwe nguye yonke into yohamba ngolayini. Ngimthanda lapho bafethu masithi yabona lo muzi mawungaphathwa yimi, uyabona ukuthi yebo unako ukuthanda abantu besimame, but yeah isandla sona sikhona, angazenza izinto zihambe ngolayini. I do believe him, angaba strict, but inkinga ukuthi nje nangapha laba bayathandwa laba, but ke uqinisile yena Nkosi yami, angayenza izinto zihambe ngolayini. The way akhuluma ngakhona, he makes me believe him, you know what I mean. Umuntu engingamthembi nguLwandle, because uLwandle ngempela ngavusa umuza ngamsele kuba fethu awuphathe nje uLwandle, hayi kungafa umuntu nje angashaya kwasali loyo. But anyways, I'm just saying bafethu, thank you so much ukuthi ubuke video. Ungakhohlwa ukulike, usubscribe, ushare nokuthi sisaqhubeka senze ama reviews based on what we've seen on the show. Thank you so much. We'll meet again on my next one. Bye.